You don't mind, don't worry about those people that are delusional. Eh? They think we are still sleeping. Let me tell you people so that they will hear wherever they are. I wanted to help them. Sincerely, because I know them. And I've said it before. These are people that I've helped. I pay their children's school fees. I pay their house rent. I know somebody said, my father was a sheriff. My father was already a sheriff officer from 2005 when I started working in finance. So if he says my father was a sheriff officer, yes, my father was a sheriff officer. Before I started working here, I was even a sheriff manager. So I wasn't a beggar. I had enough that I could eat and extend to people. So if you say, I didn't know he was a sheriff, I was a sheriff manager in my own corner. So I wanted to help them. We all knew what happened when they crossed. And how did they cross? Because of our God. For them to make that mistake. They are gone and they are gone. Now, let me tell you, when I wanted to help them, I accepted to help them because what is there? We all one. We will disagree to agree. They thought they are smart. What is holding them is the declaration of their seat vacant that was done in December 2023. That's what is holding them. So they think, well, I know they don't know anything. They think I'm like them. We're not doing any budget to nullify that decision. It is what will send them to their villages. For me, as I'm talking to you, I have started preparing my budget for 2025, which I'm going to present very soon. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. They can come to the media and dance. When they go behind, they cry. It is the truth. We don't know how to dance. We say it the way it is and stand tall anywhere we go to.
Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly, right, the Honorable Victor Oko-Jumbo. Is it right here? You almost look like him. But I have to say it because I expected him to be here. This is a very important event. But that notwithstanding, the Secretary to the state government, other members of the state executive council that are here, distinguished Senator John Tambata, and one of my very old friends, and I'm happy to see him here, distinguished Senator Andrew Chendo. Members of the National Assembly that are here, also members of the State Assembly that are here with us, the chairman, by the special grace of God, anchoring the affair of the traditional rulers today in Rivers State. One and only, my own Nyesom. Other majesties and royal fathers that are here, the President General of Ikwere Wild World, Obaka Ikwere Wild World, okay, worldwide. No, but you can change it now. You see, worldwide, and this one is larger. I don't even want it to be only Nigeria. So, Mr. President, another very distinguished members of the organization, the chairman of the 4 local governments that make up the Ikwere ethnic nationality that are here, other leaders that have also come for this very special solidarity and consequence. Our beautiful women, well-dressed, our youth, no, but your Sims are working well. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I honestly am filled with happiness. You know what it means to start your week in a very bright mood. I'm happy that today, this afternoon, by the special grace of God, 4 local government areas, the heartbeat of the Ikwere nationality are here to pay a solidarity visit. You know what it means. Let me first of all thank every one of you. I have not had the opportunity, maybe in few gatherings I've met with 1 or 2 LGAs, but meeting the 4 LGAs together, I want to thank you first for your support. Support before we started, support when we started, and your support after our victory. I want to also say this, I believe is a live coverage. Fubara is not an ungrateful person. If I were a bad person, you can't hide character that is bad more than 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 1 year, 2 years, 8 years, even more than 8 years. For 16 years, if I was a bad person, everybody would have known. But even your own child that is in your house, that you impact to. Let us start with even the girl child. It get to a stage, your girl child will enter the bathroom and lock the door, isn't it? Even if I was forcefully, they forcefully put a feeding bottle in my mouth. If I get filled up, won't I pull it out? So when people stand outside and say, I want people to ask them, in your own good conscience, what is that bad, that wickedness, that ungratefulness that this man has even shown or done? But I leave that one to God, who will judge everybody. But today is not a day to complain. It's a day to appreciate is a day that just spelled out something big. That even those people that are, should I use the word, generating this propaganda of ethnic politics. Today, the Ikwere people are here to show support, explaining clearly that they are part of this government and they support this government to the end. What else? What kind of support again do I need? When your own father is here with me to say, look, we support you. It is the greatest blessing that any son. So let me thank all the royal fathers. Let me thank the very, very great opinion leaders of the Ikwere worldwide. I want to thank you for this support. I want to assure you that not minding what is happening, I will not throw caution to the wind. I will continue to appreciate that support that people give to me through somebody. I will continue to appreciate it. It doesn't matter whether the person accepts it or not, but I will continue. That's one alone is what makes me restrain when it gets to that point when I need to act. The restraint is because I was a well-brought up boy. Nobody can, you know, there are people when they are growing up, they say, hey, he did this, he did that. My story is clean. I wasn't disowned. I was a pure young man. I served people, and I have the new record of everything. So I tell you, with all boldness and strength, that I'm well brought up. And for that reason, I have respect. So let me say here that I will continue to respect and appreciate. I will not take this your love for granted. I assure you that we are going to work together for the progress and development of our state. The heart of our state is in this 4 local governments. The airport is situated in Ikwere. The headquarters, the government headquarters, is between Faga and Obiambo. That is where the economic activity. Emo is also there. So I'm happy to identify with you today openly and to assure you that we will do more things to bring development to these 4 local government areas. I just want to appeal to every one of you. Always stand for what is right. It doesn't matter whether 1 million is at the other side. If you are the only one standing at the right side, stand. You won't get tired. But those people standing on the wrong side, definitely they will be exhausted. So I want to thank you. Assure you that I will make you people proud. It does not matter whether I'm from Ikwere or not. After all, I'm also an Ikwere. After when we were going for election, they said that my mother is somebody from Africa. But aside that, I'm even an in-law. So you know the importance of an in-law to an Ikwere man. So if I'm an in-law, I'm also an adopted son of an Ikwere. I'm not just anywhere Ikwere, from Ishogbo or Hochuku family, recognized by all of you. So it means that I'm one of you. So, President General, I've finished eulogizing you people. Just like you said, I also have my own. But my own is going to be a good one. I feel very sad that in 2004, our father came and laid a foundation for a secretariat. And after 2004, nothing happened. Even when people had everything. Maybe God had a reason for it. He wanted the adopted son to come and do it. So let me hear on behalf of the government and the very, very peace-loving people of Rivers State. It is there everywhere. Everyone knows that the true Rivers people are peace-loving. It is only the visitors that bring trouble. The true Rivers person is peace-loving. Let me here announce to you that we are going to take over and complete that secretariat. You will be very secretariat. That is on one side. The other side of it is the president mentioned some of the administrative challenges and also requested for some fund so that the secretariat will be operating very well at the temporary site. On behalf of the government, we are making a donation of 100 million naira. Then, for the vehicle, before you leave here,